Mother of slain 9-year-old boy placed in the police protective custody as the police continue their investigations. Hi again and welcome. This is the Link 007 TV news report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV news report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. The St. James Police have placed the mother of the 9-year-old child that was taken out after a reported robbery incident in the parish on Thursday morning in protective custody. The autistic child's body was found on the back seat of his mother's Audi motor car with his shirt slashed. The police reported that the car was found off a roadway in Fairfield, St. James. The police said that it was reported that the mother of the child was assaulted and pulled from the motor vehicle by unknown assailants. The attackers allegedly stole the motor car and drove off with the child. The mother reported the matter to the police, who launched a search, and the vehicle was discovered.
We got the report that a lady's car had been taken, that she was removed from the car and that car was taken. We activated our teams. In 9 minutes we had the car. Unfortunately, in that time, those people had created or had killed the child. We still have people on the scene and we're still dealing with it. We are following some leads on it.
That was Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson providing reporters with an update into this latest incident. Continuing the news, investigators in St. James are at this hour following several leads as they probe the suspected murder of a child in the parish on Thursday. The St. James police said that they were alerted to an incident around 11:45 a.m. in which a mother was reported that her child was taken after a robbery incident in which her car was stolen, which was said to be a Audi motor car by armed thugs. It was further reported that the child was still inside the motor vehicle at the time it was robbed. A motor car fitting the description of one that was robbed was located shortly before midday in Fairfield community in St. James. The child was found in the back seat of the motor car with his throat slashed. The child was then removed from the car and rushed to the hospital. However, he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. The police investigation continues. This has been Link 007 TV News Report, and we have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.